Using the continuously variable transmission. Univex SRM planetary mixers feature a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, which allows you to change speeds while the mixer is running. To use the CVT, set the timer and press the Start button. Start on speed 1 and progress to higher speeds as needed. Use higher speeds for whipping cream or beating eggs or thin batters. Speed 1 is for dough mixing. When mixing dough with a dough hook, never go beyond speed 2. Always return the speed control lever to speed 1 before shutting off the mixer. To prevent belt slippage if the mixer has been turned off by using the stop button, or by the timer while operating in a higher speed, empty the bowl and set the timer to hold. Then press the Start button and return the speed control handle back to speed 1 while the mixer is operating. Press the Stop button and return the timer to 0. Your mixer is now ready to be used again. Important: never move the speed control lever while the mixer is not in operation. Changing speeds while the mixer is not in operation may cause the belt to loosen and the mixer will not operate properly. Thanks for watching the Univex SRM Planetary Mixer training video. If you have any further questions, contact Univex at 800-258-6358, sales@univexcorp.com, or visit us on the web at www.univexcorp.com.